Now, this is part 3 of ratio, and in all my years of doing ratio, this part is what most of my students, they do have a little bit of challenge when we get to here, but this is as easy as part 1 and 2 of ratio. It says Adam and Eve are sharing apples in a ratio of 5 to 4. Adam got 20 apples. How many apples did Eve get? So, we are again, in order for me to find out how many apples did Eve get, we are going back to this whole idea of ratio. So Adam got how many parts? Adam got 5 parts, right? If we go back to ratio, we were looking at Adam and Eve, and we know that the number here, the first name, first part, number of parts. Adam 5, Eve 4. Okay? So Adam got 5 parts. Eve's part is 4. I'm trying to find out how many apples did Eve get. Now this is just a reverse of what we did. Earlier we got what was 1 part. This time we have to find out what is 1 part. So how many apples did Adam get? Adam got 20 apples, and Adam's 20 apple is 5 part. So what do I have to do now to find what is 1 part? I have to divide. So this time it's not multiplication because I did not get the answer. What I get is his total. He got 20 apples, and his number of parts is 5. 5 parts. 5 parts is 20 apples. So I have to divide, sorry, not by 4, sorry, I'm giving you the answer. I have to divide it by 5. 20 divided by 5. Please correct that in your books. I was working the answer out in my head. He's 5 parts, so it's 20 divided by 5. And so 5 into 20 is going to be equal to 4. So what I'm saying here is that 1 part is equal to 4. I found that out because I know Adam has 20, and that was 5 parts. So 5 into 20 goes 4. If I should multiply 5 times 4, I'm going to get 20. 1 part equals 4. So if I find out what is 1 part, I can now find out how many apples did Eve get. How many parts did Eve get? How many parts Eve had? Eve had 4 parts. So I now multiply 4 times 4, and so Eve had 16 apples. And that's my answer for Eve right here. 16 apples. Now, this is just the reverse of what we did earlier. And students have to remember that when you are given the share that the person gets, we are doing the opposite of what we did when we did multiplication. We are now doing division. Adam got 20 apples. We have to divide that 20 by the number of parts for Adam, which is 5. 5 into 20, 4. So 1 part is 4. So I can find out how many apples Eve get by now multiplying 4 times 4 is 16. And to get the total number, that's easy. Adam got 20 and Eve got 16, and so my total amount is 36. 20 plus 16 is 36. And I can test this if I go 5 to 4, 5 plus 4 is 9. 36 divided by 9 is going to give me 4, right? So same thing here. 5 plus 4, that's 9. 9 divided by 36, that's 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16. And so this part we practice and we practice, but remember, it is when we get the number, when we get the share, the person's share. Instead of multiplying, we are now dividing to find 1 part. Having found 1 part, that's the hard thing about ratio. Just find what is 1 part. Once you find what is 1 part, no problem to